Hey, what's up? It's your boy Kiki, and today I'm going to teach you how to do Tom and Jerry. So let's get started. All right, so the Tom and Jerry is another hip hop old school groove. It's a lot of footwork. It's just mainly footwork, but there are some arms as like an accessory to the move to kind of give it a finishing touch. Okay, so for me, Tom and Jerry reminds me of just kicking to the side. Yeah, it's like a strike, like as if you're doing some sort of martial arts move, but it has a flow to it so it doesn't feel that way. Starting with the right foot, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kick out, I'm gonna pull it back in. Let's do the left side. Kick, step in. Kick, step in. Kick, step in. Notice how when I kick, my body has a reaction to it. I don't want to stiffen up from waist up. I want to keep a flow to it. So when I kick, I'm pulling that same side of the foot, the same shoulder comes in. And kick, step. Kick, step, kick, step. Cool? So, to give it the groove and the bouncy, again, this is none of those bouncy moves that kind of becomes continuous and we're always jumping. You're gonna hop out, and when you kick whatever it is on the side, you're gonna go away from it. So I'm gonna kick away from it and then hop back in. And then I go this way as I kick the left foot, hop, and then hop back in, hop. So I'm gonna show you a little bit because it gets kind of weird when you break it down like this so slowly. I'll do 4 of them. 5, 6, 7, 8. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? When I'm bringing that foot in, it's okay that both feet are on the floor. I kick, come down, kick, come down, kick, come down, kick, come down. Okay? So let's try again. Let's do 8, starting with the right side. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Cool. What's also really important is that before you kick, you have to kind of bend your knee. You have to gather that power. Then you strike out. Okay? That's also really important. Oh, when you're landing, oh, this is really good. When you're landing, that's when the kick happens. So you're jumping, same time, other way, same time, ha. Cool. Let's try again. 4 of them. 5, 6, right foot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Last element is our arms. So same side, kick, 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 kick. Now these aren't the only arms you can do. You can do any arm you like, but this is the one that is common and you see a lot, okay? The angle of the arm, just for simplicity's sake, I say just keep it parallel to the floor. Yeah, nice straight line so you know what you're doing. If you want to go down here, you know, angle it, shot, all good. Even also how you kind of roll out of it. I like to kind of bend the elbow, almost like when I bend my knee before I kick. I bend it out, bend it out, bend it out, bend it out. You feel me? Okay, so let's do it. Adding the arm. This time, let's do an 8 counts. Let's do 8 of them. It gets tiring. If you ever do anything like shuffling, you'll understand how tiring this can be because you're constantly jumping. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, right side, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's your Tom and Jerry. It's really simple. Once you break down all the elements, you combine them all together, you got something really cool. So try it out, send me a video. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.